Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. I would like to only really focus on the imminent price action, which started here at the top at 1790 in this move to the downside. We're currently investigating if we have an impulse down here. And at the moment it is looking like this. This is the scenario I would be leaning towards. So that doesn't mean it has to play out, but it is the scenario that I'm looking at as the one that I find most likely. That means from the top here, we started down in a wave 1, moved up in a 2, came down in a 3. We reached the 1.618 fib extension in that wave 3. And the wave 4 is ongoing now. Could be working out as a triangle. That is the exact scenario we talked about in the previous video earlier today. And we also retraced here in this wave 4 and reached the 38.2% fib level, at least nearly here at 1630. So that means, the scenario we talked about in the previous video, that means that this could indeed here play out as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, which would then eventually move down. That means we are looking at A, B, C, D, now one more leg up, that should stay below now 1624, and then we could come down. Should we go above 1624 or even more clearly above 1632, then this scenario is not valid anymore. Then we don't have an imminent 5-wave move that could still develop, but not imminently. Then we need to look at something different here. But this is what I'm looking at. So in the move down then, if we make another leg down and would come into the region of 1524 to 1500, then I would expect that the 5-wave move is complete. That could be a wave A. We would then move up in a wave B. It could go into the region of around about 1700 again, but a wave B is always unpredictable. And then we would come down in a wave C into this area between 1130 and 1330. That is how I see this scenario. Should we go above 1632, then we don't have 5 waves down, then we only have 3 waves down. That would make me switch to the other scenario, in that it is very likely that we will go higher, go above the previous swing high here, and could get into the region around 1900. But after that, we would come down into this region here. Or the other option is that we lose $1,500, and if we lose the $1,500 level, for me it's very likely that we will come down straight away into this area. These are the 3 possibilities. 2 of them point to the upside very shortly, either directly if we break above 1632, or after a move down, then go up. So this is currently how I would see the market, and it gives you the key breakout points. I mean, even if we go above 1632, I cannot rule out that it is just simply an extension of the wave 4. So the key level here that would make the red wave count very likely, because 1632 is only the initial signal. So the move to 1900 would become, in my opinion, very likely if we break above 1680, the low of the wave 1, because then you have an overlap between wave 1 and wave 4, and that is basically an invalidation of the impulse to the downside. Hope that makes sense, and that would make it more likely that we are moving up already, that we came down then only in a 3-wave move, and we're moving up in an impulse that would take us up into this extended wave B. So that means in 2 scenarios we have the potential to go up. In 1 scenario we have the potential to go down straight away. Which one is going to work out, I can't tell you, but it allows you to calculate your risk and understand the risk. That means one possible strategy, and what I might do if we go down any lower into the region between 1500 and 1525, I might slowly start to scale in on the spot market with a small position to take either some profits in this blue wave, in this white wave B, or up here when we reach around about the 1900 level. So that is one strategy, and then we'll go in quite aggressively when we come down eventually. If we lose the $1,500 level, I might as well just wait and accumulate down here. So that is sort of how you could play it, but that's up to you how you do it. But it should allow you, this TA should allow you to understand the possibilities and different scenarios, and the risk as well, and the possible reward. And that's my update about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.